Now, in this episode, we're going to look into the factorial of a number. So we're going first to find the signature function of the algorithm, which is the factorial of number, and the parameter that we're going to put in is the n value of the number. So the n value is supposed to be the factorial of a number that we're going to be calling. So our factorial of 0 is 1, and factorial of so let us set the result as the factorial of the 0 as 1. Then we are going to iterate each and every loop using the value of the parameter n value. So we declared the value of index as 2 because when we start as 1, the power of a number by 1 is the number, so it will not be of any effect. So our number here, our index number is going to be value of 2. So index number less than or equals to the n value increment, that is the loop that we're going to be calling, should return the result, and the result should be multiplied by the index number. So outside the block, we are going to declare we are going to call this the scope of the function, which is returning the result. So the values that you're going to console, the factorial numbers that you're going to call is 0, 1, and 5. So the factorial of 5 is going to give you, the factorial of 0 is going to give you a value of 1, while the factorial of 1 is going to give you a value of 1. Whereas the factorial value of 5 is going to give you a value of 5. As a result, you do 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 1 in order for you to get the factorial result of the number that you just the product of the result. That is the factorial of the number. Now when you do call the function, it is going to give you the value of 1 for 0, index 0, while 1 for index 1, and a value of 120 for value of 5. I hope you have enjoyed the session. Let us meet in the next episode where we are going to discuss our next math algorithm.